Let me ask you a question. What interests you? What are your passions? What consumes your thoughts in the middle of the night when you're not worrying about finances or your family or work? Well, for me, that obsession is gardening. My gardening passion, some would call it an addiction, started about 40 years ago when my husband and I moved into and renovated an old home in a historic neighborhood here in Oklahoma City. We built a family, we built a life, and everything seemed to be centered for me around the garden. I knew nothing about gardening when I started, but over time I learned. And ultimately, once we moved to another historic home, we lovingly call it the Cottage on the Hill, I realized that I look at everything through a gardening lens. It informs how I decorate my home. It even informs how I dress, the books that I read, and the people that are part of my friendship circle. But it didn't happen all at once. It happened over time. I continue to learn. I continue to make mistakes because that is the essence of a garden life. Well, my name is Vater, and I invite you to explore, to learn, to make mistakes, to find beauty as we all create a garden life.